guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in. May God bless you all. And to my new subscribers, I appreciate you all for coming in. May God bless you also. So today is another tutorial. Yeah, it's all about blending, all about foundation and contour. So that is what I'll be doing today. So if you want to see how I do my blend, my foundation and contour, so stay to the end. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye. First of all, apply liquid glitter on my forehead, my bridge nose, and where I'll be highlighting at the end of the video. That is what I'm doing now. I will blend it with my brush. Primer, so this is the primer I'm using. Stay matte. So I'm using my Elegant foundation, which I normally use, is a full coverage. So I'm blending it with my sponge. You can blend it with this one is brush. You can blend it with sponge, beauty sponge. So I'm blending it with the brush. Later we'll use beauty sponge. Spray the water spray. So then I'm using the same sponge, the sponge I told you about. So just blend it together, I'm using NYX concealer. I'll be using my black oak as my contour. I'm using this Jovial Place concealer. I'm using the same foundation brush which I use for the foundation to blend it all together for me not to have different shades, you know. That is what I'm doing. I'm using my Sasha Buttercup, which I'm using brush. So let me bring more out. So I'm done with this setting powder, Revolution, the dark contour powder. So I'll be using this. So I'm using this brush here. So just use it. I'm using my dark deep MAC studio powder, so just use it to blend everything together. I'm using F blush, so I will use from this blush here. I don't know if you can see it here. Oh my god. Now I'm going for highlighter, which is I'm using Revolution. So Revolution is my favorite right now because it's very pigmenting when you are using it. So yeah, so I'm going for Revolution. I don't want to talk too much. Now I will use my setting spray with the same brush which I used before for the powder. So when I'm applying it, it's easy for me to blend. So now I'm coming back with the finished look of this foundation. So I'll be doing I will add my lashes and my lipstick, so I will show you the finished look of this foundation. So this is the final look of this tutorial or makeup tutorial. So how you to blend your foundation, your contour and all that things in your face, you know. Yeah, this is the final look of this video. If you know you watch it from beginning to the end and you loved my video, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family, and also if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next video. Bye.